Hey guys, shalom shalom, welcome to the beautiful city of Jerusalem. Here we are right now at the Western Wall. This is the stones, the remnants of the walls of Jerusalem, knocked out by the Romans during AD 70 when they come and tore down the great city of Jerusalem. This is what they did. It's only the evidence of the city, the destruction of the great city of Jerusalem. Unbelievable place. Amazing guys. The ruins of the beautiful city of Jerusalem. Wow. This is the temple of Jerusalem.